to be demonstrating the latest advancement in printing technology. Now even Global Corp can have the latest three-dimensional printer. Introducing to you the Nextmark X22 3D printer!
Intriguing. I just don't know Global Corp has a use for such a thing.
You know, I heard that people on the internet are using these 3D printers to make guns.
My God.
I can assure you, this machine, the X22, is perfectly safe and useful. Why, it can replicate just about any custom part. For example, if I wanted to custom fabricate this crescent wrench. Just place that there. Alright, just a few seconds, as you can see, and voila! Oh my God!
Is that a handgun?
Is this some sort of sick joke?
No, this wasn't supposed to happen, but I'm sure it's no problem, and let me fix this. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take this back with me. There must be something wrong. I'm gonna need to
What did you put in there?
Nothing, no. Two handguns!
Oh, do you mean to tell me that we have 3 guns?
I can fix this! Okay, one thing, just back online. Alright. Okay, this is the crescent wrench the X22 was able to replicate. As you can see, it's got a...
That thing just shot a bullet!
I'll have you know, I'm best friends with the senator. And I'm going to let you know just how dangerous these 3D printers are and have them outlawed and legalized immediately.
No, please. I really need to sell one of these printers and nobody's buying them for some reason. Okay, listen. Look, the X22 is also a fully functioning 2D printer. Global Corp has a need for that, right?
I suppose so. I have seen some paper around the office.
Great, allow me to demonstrate. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. See? Oh no.
A picture of a gun?
Okay. I don't know why this is doing this, okay? There's something serious.
Are you all right?
Yeah. Peachy. Oh. I'm gonna be going now, okay? I'm just gonna take this with me.
Not so fast!
Oh.
Step away from the X22! Now!
A secret agent?
This. And now, I'm going to take this cutting-edge technology back to my homeland.